Hi everyone, I'm back doing a different type of video today. I wanted to take a cruise, but people kept telling me they couldn't do it, they didn't want to do it. So guess what? I decided to do it on my own. I took a solo cruise out of Norfolk on the Carnival Magic. And this is the ship in port as we were boarding. And in my research, I could not find a tour of the room I was staying in. So, guess what? I decided to make one for the room I was staying in. So, you're about to see my room tour for the Carnival Magic, room 2377. And I hope you enjoy. And this is me entering my room. I got my card from the door. They put that there for you to enter your room. My bag is there. And this is just a view of the room overall. And it's not a bad sized room. I thought it would be very small, but it wasn't. It had a lot of space in it, and it was enough, I would say, for two people. I wouldn't try to put more than two people in this room, but it was very comfortable. And over here, we're looking in the closets, and there was ample space for me to put my clothes and anything that I wanted to set up in there, and that's what I ended up doing. Now you will see another closet as well, and that's to hang your items. I ended up having to take the hangers down because when the ship started moving, you'll hear those clicking together, and that um, wasn't good for me to sleep, so I just took those out. There are the life vests down at the bottom, and this is the back of the door where you enter the room, and it's just a map of the ship and some different directions. You'll see the lock, and there's also a little slot that you keep a card in so that the lights will stay on. This is the restroom, and as you can see, it comes with a shower. It's not going to be a full-size shower because it's a smaller room, but you're not going to be spending all your time in your room anyway. You step down, and your toilet, mirrors, vanity, and it's a good amount of space. You can put your things out and arrange them so that you can have easy access to them. And there is also extra toiletries, trash can, tissues, and the mirror. And again, this is a good sized room. Two hangers on the door, and it's ample space. It's not going to be like at home, but it's enough space for one person. I'm 6 feet tall, so there's plenty of space. And as you come out of the restroom, you'll see the thermostat on the wall. And this right here, I think, was some sort of light switch controls. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But I think it had something to do with the lights. It didn't do anything when I'm touching on it right now. But that's fine. I could control the lights with the other fixture and lamp by the bed. And as you can see, I have water that I ordered as well as drinks. Some ginger ale that I wanted to drink. I didn't plan on doing a whole lot of drinking while I was on the cruise. There is one outlet, and I bought the extension cord that you can bring on the cruise, so I had plenty to charge up my phone. Here are the light switches by the bed, and you can see that once you click on one, it turns off the main lights, but you do have some other lights on. There's a lamp there as well. And then you come back, and this is a view of the room from the other direction. And again, there's another switch along with your phone. Again, my water and ginger ale that I ordered. And here's a safe. And it's a small safe, but it's enough for your wallet, purse, maybe iPad. There's the water, but you pay for that. So I didn't drink that. Here is the refrigerator. And it did get cold. I was surprised. I didn't use the refrigerator for any food or drinks. Food was abundant on that ship, so I didn't need it. Right beside the refrigerator, you will see a small dresser with a few drawers if you wanted to store your items in it. You have your standard hair dryer, some papers, and the last one was empty. You have a trash can, and you could move the chair and the little ottoman over to the desk. There's the lamp. And there wasn't anything in that little side table, but it was nice to have there. Under the bed, they put the steps that go to the bed that was over me. If someone else was in there, they could have pulled it down and they would have used the steps to get into bed. Those are the signs that you put on your door if you don't want the attendant to come in. And again, another view of the room. Now, my room was beside the laundry room for that floor, but surprisingly, it did not bother me when people were in there washing their clothes. It wasn't very loud. And that floor wasn't loud either. People were very courteous, so I enjoyed it. So thanks for watching the video. I'm going to kick back and enjoy my cruise now. And I hope you think about doing the same thing. Cruising is fun, you'll enjoy it, and you can do it with your family and friends. Don't tell people you don't want to or